welcomes you on the channel of Gokul Global University. My name is Neha Thakkar and I am going to present you about the Android. Okay, the basic information about the Android. So let us start with the introduction. What is Android? As we all know that Android is the latest mobile technology and nowadays we all are using it, and it is the most popular mobile operating system. Now if we want to make programming, if we want to do the programming for the mobile application, then we can use this Android. Basically, what is it, how we can do the programming, what is the editor we require, that we are going to present over here in this topic. So let us start with the introduction. So here, as we know that what is Android, a mobile operating system? It is a software stack for the mobile devices that includes operating system. As we know, what is operating system? Through which we can execute our applications, middlewares and key applications. So if we want to run the applications, then we require some operating system and the middlewares, that are the drivers and supporting system, which is required to run your application. Second one is, let us talk about the mobile scenarios, or we can say history of the mobile phones. If we say that the mobile is divided into three categories: mobile phones, features phones and smartphones. So what is this mobile phones? So as we have seen that this was the first categories of mobile phones that we were using it. After that, what could be the facility in that? That we can see we can make a simple phone call, or simple we can send the text message, or we have the little bit facility of snake games or simple facilities. And then this scenario has been changed toward the features phones. So which are the feature phones? As we know, we have the QWERTY keypad phones. Okay, these QWERTY keypad phones, where we have the more facilities from these mobile phones. Which facilities? Capture the high quality of image. We can capture the photo, but with the low quality. The same as we can listen the music, but selected one. We can use the internet, but nowadays we can say what we are accessing the same as our desktop machine. Whatever application, whatever website you are watching into your laptop, the same thing, the same visualization you are getting into your mobile. But before this scenario, you could also access the internet, but with the less facility, with the slower range. And the third scenario has been changed, that nowadays we are using, that is our smartphones, that is our touch screen devices. And as we know, the features of this touch screen, you can see the reality of browsing capability. The same thing we are nowadays we do not need any laptop or desktop to access our internet features. Everything is available into our hands. HD video quality. The video quality, as we know, in the mobile, nowadays mobile are having more than 42 megapixel of cameras or more than that, so we can 4K quality, so we can access a high quality of video, high density of photos, and all the office document we can access easily. So if we talk that how many operating systems are available, mobile operating systems are available. So all these mobiles are from different manufacturers. So if we know so many manufacturers like Reliance, Samsung, Apple, Realme, nowadays we cannot count it. So many manufacturers are available. So which are the mobile operating systems they are using? So we have a well-known operating system, Google Android. Apple phone, they are using the iOS. Nokia before that they were using that OS is known as a Symbian OS. Reliance is using the RIM OS. Samsung was using the Bada OS. Microsoft is using the Windows OS, and so many. But today we are going to focus on Google's Android. So what is Android? Android is an open source operating system. It is a open source operating system which is based on Linux and primarily designed for touchscreen mobile devices. Okay, so it is open source. That means it is available freely and everyone can use it. Okay, here you can see the applications we are going to create into the mobile phones. So for that we can use Android operating system. So if we know that this is the Android operating system. These all are the application which is going to develop. These are the manufacturers who are manufacturing the devices, and we have other supporters. So how this is possible? How this is possible that if we know that Apple phones, yes, so Apple is having only iOS, and it is only one manufacturer, that is Apple, yes. But if we say Google Android, in Android we have so many categories of handset manufacturer. If we say so many mobile phones are available from the different handset manufacturer like Samsung, Realme, we cannot count it, so many. So how it is possible? So Android is, what is OHA? Android is having a open handset alliance. That is, it is a business alliance. It is a if we say it is a gathering of more than 84 companies for developing the open standards, for developing the mobile devices, mobile application, and they are sharing some open standards. What is that standards? They can use it for manufacturing the devices. If we say which are that companies, so 5 different categories of companies are available. The first one is handset manufacturer, who is ultimately manufacturing the devices like the Samsung and all that companies. Semiconductor companies, a chip manufacturers, mobile operators, SIM card operators through which we can make a call and do our communication. Software companies which develops the software for the hardwares. Commercialization companies, we gives the business or the market to this Android. So they have one common standards, open standards, and they need to follow it. And combination of all these makes the Android successful. If we want to really see where the names of all these companies, then we can go to www.openhandsetalliance.com. It is a website, and OHA_members, it is where you can get the list of members.